Are you supposed to be napping, Alex? Did I catch you playing? Do you think it's funny? You do think it's funny. Why ain't she sleeping? Is it that funny? Oh, you're just hysterical. I'm nowhere near you and you're laughing. You having a good time? I guess you're not going to go down for a nap, are you? You want to go sleepies? Did somebody put sugar in your bottle this morning? Did you put sugar in your oatmeal? Huh? What are you doing? You can't stop laughing. You have the case of the giggles. You're so funny. You're funny. You're funny. Yes, you are. Alex, are you supposed to be napping? Alex, you need to go to sleep, yes? Alex, go night-night? No? Okay. Oh, okay, the laughing's over. Let's say goodbye to the camera.